Individual Traveler, and do you know where we are going today? It is a beautiful place and it is Mandu, or you can say Mandavgarh. So this is the way for where we go. We've reached to Mandu, and this is our first mahal. It is Chhappan Mahal. So let's see it. This is a Mandapika. Let's see what's inside. There are so nice bird chirping, some statues, not some, many statues are there. And you can see there are ancient things, some are in the cupboard, some are outside, so we cannot touch them, but we can still see and do. Means we can see, and birds chirping is also there. It is really nice. Our voice echoes here, and I like this place because our voice echoes. So I like this, and it's so high. So many birds made their nests. यहाँ इस म्यूजियम में आए हैं। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कितनी चीजें हैं। यहाँ बाबू का घर भी है, यहाँ ये पेंटिंग हुई है, और आप इसके अंदर जा सकते हैं। देखिए कितना मस्त है। आप अंदर चलिए मेरे साथ। ये देखिए यहाँ पे कपड़े भी टांगे हैं, और यहाँ विंडोज भी है, यहाँ वो विंडो भी है। ये बहुत ठंडा ठंडा भी है। पुराने जमाने की एक्सकैवेशन से निकली मूर्तियाँ हैं जो हमें छप्पन महल के बाहर गार्डन में मिली। So guys, now we are in Jahaz Mahal, so let's go in. Jahaz Mahal was built by Sultan Ghiyas-ud-Din Khilji in second half of 15th century. Jahaz refers to a ship, Mahal refers to a palace. Surrounded by pond water, it seems to be floating gently above the surface of water. Jami Masjid. This giant red stone mosque construction was started by Hoshang Shah and completed by Muhammad Khilji, inspired by Umayyad Mosque of Syria. Hoshang Shah's tomb. It is to be considered as oldest marble edifice of India. This has been said to have influenced Shah Jahan by leaps and bounds to build his marvel, the Taj Mahal. मांडू में और भी जगह एक्सप्लोर करने की, जैसे कि रानी रूपमती पवेलियन, बाल बहादुर पैलेस, चंपा पवेलियन हमन, and Hindola Mahal. So guys, now I've eaten my food, taken a rest.
No.
And now I'm really very cheerful and I'm feeling very fresh in this place because breeze is coming, it's very high, it's very nice. Now I'm playing restaurant with these herbal things, not taking much. So you can come in my restaurant. These are some dishes. These are the things we used. So please do come. And do you know these are red? See, these are red. I am playing under this tree and taken a nap under this tree. Everything done under this tree. And you know there was a snake also. And behind me there are so many swings to play. But I don't want to play. I want to play restaurant. Enjoyed it because I loved it, and you have to come again with Little Traveler for another wonderful journey.